Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. Alright, trying to make a quick video for specifically, this is a 1997 Chevrolet Blazer 4-door. At this video shooting here, I've not seen any videos with my specific door handle setup, the triangle here. It's right here, and I've done a couple, but I seem to forget how it's done. So there's an insert here and a Phillips screw that goes in here and holds it onto the door. Probably skip that. So this centerpiece comes off. The rod goes in there. There's the rod. It'll be up there like that. He's got a little lip here, little foot. So that's going to fit in here. If I can do it. Here we go. So there it is. You take this out, then you need to pry this out, and then you can take the centerpiece out. Mine was a little sticky, I was concerned, but there is some black goop in here. And then this one just has friction fit dealies on the side. Pretty sure this crack is not supposed to be here, but it is. And it's got friction fit on the top. So we really just need to be pulling aggressively down to get it off. Kind of see the teeth mark in here, maybe here. It'll be fit a little different because it's broken, but it's like that. So you can get it off. Of course, mine's cheating because it's broken. I did not break it. You can actually see a little black on there where the door handle was rubbing on it. So this is the trickiest part right here. Otherwise, you're lifting up here with a screwdriver, pulling out the assembly for the door locks and the power windows and all that good stuff. And you have the two 7mm bolts down here underneath the cover. Just get a screwdriver and pop the cover. Then you just have your friction fit pins in here. So you just need to pull on this, pull it out towards you, and they should snap free. They do make special tools like this. You can get in the panel area here, and pop it free. And they do stick sometimes in place. You will find that. So you can pull this out, put it back where it belongs. They usually slide in place like so. And there's some free play in them. So you can maybe reach in with your finger, especially the ones on the bottom. Get them to line up. I guess that one is actually supposed to be up there, so maybe I'm missing one. Anyway, let's put it back together, I suppose. I really wanted to show you this because I think this is the trickiest part that you don't see, and if you're watching other videos you'll see the other parts of the door panel coming off, but I don't think you've seen any of this. So take the screw out, take the centerpiece out, and lift this out. Small pick or screwdriver should get it out from the left side, and you got your little finger there. So that's it. Quick little video for your 1997 Chevy Blazer 4-door. That's the type of door handle I was looking for and not finding. So here it's going back together. Just got to put the piece in, but I wanted to show you. I'm using a hook tool to get the latch back into place. It seems to be hanging down a little bit. So I'm getting a hook tool in here. I'm just kind of holding it forward. Sorry about the lighting. I'm just holding it forward while I'm installing it, because it seems to be drooping down a little bit. So holding it in or maybe a coat hanger, but something to hook it and to pull it forward and maybe lift it up a little bit to get it to go into its resting place on that. So that's my tip for putting this back together. Don't forget to get that front corner in first and then drop the rest into place. That's my tip, advice. Hope it helps.